Milwaukee's M18 Forge batteries are now in stock at its.co.uk. Some of you will have heard that and they're already celebrating, but some of you might not know exactly what Milwaukee M18 Forge batteries are. Don't worry, we're here to explain it to you. Essentially, Milwaukee have reworked the way that their M18 red lithium-ion batteries work, and so rather than working with the cylindrical cells, these are created to be much more efficient and also take up a smaller size as well. Like you can see here, this is a Forge 6-amp battery. But because of the way that this is worked, it's actually as efficient and has the similar capacity to a high output 12-amp battery, okay? So these batteries are more or less the same sort of output, same capacity as well. But like, look at them. There's a massive size difference between the two of these, and I know you can't really see it, but I can tell you there's a massive weight difference as well. So if you're working with these batteries and your arms are getting tired often, maybe it's time to switch up to Forge. You can then pair the Forge batteries along with this, the brand new Milwaukee M18 DBSC Supercharger. Now I know that name sounds a little bit over the top, but trust me, this thing is super. As you see, it's a dual bay charger, but this thing can charge the Milwaukee Forge 6-amp batteries up to 80% in just 15 minutes and can charge it all the way in 25 minutes. So that's a lot less time of you sitting around waiting for your batteries to charge, because this thing will charge them rapidly. You can check these out and everything Milwaukee over in the Milwaukee Superstore now at its.co.uk.